observing a storm just south of Barstow and northeast of Apple Valley and Victorville. And down there, see more cells over in Lucerne Valley and the San Bernardino National Forest. The sky is definitely cooking. The wind is also picking up, and then you can see a cluster of storms and convection up there. And we have a line of convection that's crashing down all the way down to the valley and the Angeles National Forest. Alright, so just to give you guys another update on the eastern side of where I'm at right now, those storms died out. This one right here is still active, very active. A lot of convection up here. And then as I pan to my northeast, something big might fall right there. Look how much convection there is in the area. And look at all that. All ready to go off. Look at this beauty. Look at that. Look at this beauty. Look at that beauty. More convection over here. Additional convection right here. Look at that strong cell right there. And this was the same storm that I was recording earlier when I first got here. And over there we have a large cluster of storms, more convection around this general area. And over there, in more convection, we have a storm over there as well. And yep, right here, try to record some lightning too. More convection out here. Something's about to form right here too. Then in the middle of the screen, ooh, was that lightning that I capped right there? Hopefully it was. I also want to document this. What is that in the middle? Look at that rain shaft right there. That looks like a wall of rain just collapsing from the storm. I'll keep an eye on that. Look at this beauty right here. Look at this convection up here. This might all form a little later. It's cooking out here. We have a pretty decent line of storms just heading straight up. Look at that storm cell. That thing exploded. Look at that. Look at that cell. Let me see if I could cap lightning out of that. That looks amazing. Right here. Got that, baby. Ladies and gentlemen, what you guys are seeing right here is a very well-defined microburst and a beautiful bolt of lightning that I capped right there. So notice how the rain shaft is spreading out in every direction. It is spreading out to your left and it is spreading out to your right. The wind from the collapsing storm is what causing that rain shaft to look that way. That is a beautiful microburst. Beautiful. Right there, that's a brand new cell that's about to form, and there's another cell right there, and then over here, this is where the storm was before. It's dark already, so you guys can't really see, but we have a brand new cell that's about to form right there.